Okay, so where did you learn this at?
TikTok.
You're on TikTok. So these are Patagonia smoked mussels. Patagonia, and what's this supposed to do for you?
Nothing, it's just a snack. But everybody raves about it, like, oh, this looks nasty. Everybody raves about how good the snack is. I'm like, oh, it's so good, it's coming.
Like to eat, like, or
like
healthy for you?
Both. I've seen it for both. Those stink too.
I was gonna say, I don't know if you're gonna like smoked mussels.
I'll try. There's one. I can't open this. My arms hurt.
Where's your lid opener?
Right there.
Right there.
These I've had. These are really good.
Now, what are those?
Corn chips, corn crisps. Whatever.
How much sugars they got in them?
Probably a lot. 4 grams.
4 grams per how many pieces?
12 crackers.
Is that sugars or carbohydrates?
The sugars.
Sugars? How much
Carbs
carb?
is 25 grams.
25 grams of
It's
carbs?
Corn. It's literally just, where's the ingredients? Yellow corn flour, corn puree, dark brown sugar, yellow cornmeal, olive oil, sea salt, and
You
rosemary.
lost me with a dark brown sugar. That's my grandson making all that noise over there.
And those mussels are on sale. Hopefully,
I don't want to. Why you tell everybody? I told you I couldn't find it for
For
months.
Prime members,
I don't want to mix.
$5.
Give me another.
How much are they?
$5.
For Prime members?
Yeah.
And it took you how long to find them?
Months, like literally months.
Because this TikTok thing went viral?
Yeah, like months. This looks gross. Not. I'm scared.
That's why I'm recording your butt. I don't like canned sardines.
Well, this ain't sardines.
My dad and
Mussels.
Kyle like canned sardines. I hate canned sardines.
Kyle eats smoked oysters too. That's it. I'm just doing one.
No, put 2 of them on there. Go
Why?
for it. You said everything once. You didn't say everything half.
I said everything once, not everything twice. Nasty. Why do they look?
They don't warm them or none.
No, it's canned. It's canned mussels. If you're in a zombie apocalypse, you're gonna warm your canned mussels?
Maybe.
Possibly. Now, what is this?
Chili oil, like chili, like
Momo
Fuku.
Chili Crunch.
This shit better not be sorry.
Watch your mouth. Oh my God. Now I gotta edit this
Now you
video.
gotta edit it, so
All because mommy got a potty mouth.
Ain't nobody tell you record me? No, it better not be hot. That's all. You just psyched me out. Ready? Wait, no, up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's actually not bad.
Is the chili hot?
Chili's a little hot. It's not bad. It's real smoky. It is the texture thing you gotta eat over. But it don't taste bad.
Now, why is this supposed to be good for you?
That's pretty hot now. Yeah, it is hot. The mussels are only 80 calories. There's 3 grams of carbs, no sugars, and there's 9 grams of protein. And a whole can. Oh no, half can. Sorry.
So if you were to doctor up and make it for yourself to make something healthy, would you leave the same thing or would you put something different?
I mean, there's better crackers to put it on.
There's
There's better. I mean, there's only 120 calories in these crackers. I guess. I mean, there's 25 grams of carbs in there, so it all depends on how you're. Like, I'm not cutting carbs necessarily. I'm just trying to eat better carbs. I don't know how good corn carbs are really when it's, But there's better crackers, I think. Other than
Okay, it's all right.
Mm-hmm.
And look at my spoiled brat. She got the sparkly Disney water bottle that changes everything. All right, say bye. Say subscribe, like, share.
Subscribe, like, share. Say bye.
Subscribe, like, share. That actually did taste pretty good. You do get the smoky flavor, smoky mussel flavor. Both pretty good. By the way, it's about 4:30 right now. All these been running off of the solar panel since about 7:30 this morning. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel.